today I'm going to teach you how to taste extra virgin olive oil. Now, this is a skill I learned while I was attending culinary school in Italy, and it's something that's definitely going to elevate your extra virgin olive oil game. Oftentimes we go to the grocery store and we see a million bottles plastering that wall and we have no idea which one to buy. Well, there are a few indicators on the bottle that you can look for to know that it's going to be a quality extra virgin olive oil, such as making sure that the acidity level is under 1%, noting that the olives have been cold pressed, as well as if the bottle lists a harvest date. Really, the ultimate thing that you need to do in order to make sure that it's a high quality extra virgin olive oil is taste it. Now, this is a thing not a lot of us are taught to do, but luckily while I was in Italy, I finally learned how to master it, and I'm gonna teach that to you today. In order to taste your extra virgin olive oil, you'll first want to grab some either in a cup or in a spoon. Next, we're going to smell it and note any of the odors that you can smell from the olive oil. You may smell some fruity or grassy notes, but the most important thing is that you smell something and it smells good. If you have oil that's odorless, it's likely not going to taste good. After this, we're going to move on to tasting the olive oil. I'm going to show you how to actually taste the olive oil, which is a little bit obnoxious, but it works. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a sip of this olive oil and then we're going to kind of swish it around in our mouth. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute, but mainly the sound that we're making is in order to not only taste the olive oil on our tongue, but also to get it up through our nose. So we're also smelling those odors and aroma as we're tasting it. So let me show you exactly what that looks like. Cheers. So what you're looking for with the taste are a few things. Every olive oil is going to taste different because of course it's made with different olives and in different processes. So what you're looking for is, like I mentioned, a pleasant taste. So this may be fruity, grassy, citrusy, sweet, all things that you actually like. Similar to when we smelled it, if there is no taste or it's flavorless, that probably means that it's a bad olive oil. There are also a couple other things that would indicate that your extra virgin olive oil has gone bad. If there's a rancid or stale taste to it, I would say you don't want to buy this olive oil and you should probably check the expiration date on it. Now, if you buy a couple bottles of extra virgin olive oil and you want to taste them all at once, there are a couple things to remember. First off, don't compare the colors. Technically speaking, the color of your extra virgin olive oil shouldn't be an indicator of how high quality it is. Next, if you're doing multiple tastings at once, make sure to take a sip of water and take a little break in between so that way you can actually taste the good, authentic flavor that's in the bottle. Using this technique of actually tasting your extra virgin olive oil is 100% going to level up your game of how you understand and know extra virgin olive oil and how you use it in your cooking.